Oh, I did not think this through at all. I just wanted to go for a cute little bike ride. I am on a bike path though, but it's a beautiful day. It was only 2.5 miles to get to this really pretty park. So I was like, yeah, let me do that. Well, 250 feet of elevation later, downhill, that I'm now facing on my journey home. Not good. But God, is it gorgeous. Wow. Look at this. Just me on the open road. I had to guess. I'm going maybe slightly faster than a walking pace. Barely. I do anticipate having to hop off this old gal and just walk it at various points. But the city of St. Paul is so bikeable. The lower half of me is having a tough time, but about waist up, I'm loving it. It's gorgeous. Wow. Ran into some goose. Little duckling crossing. I do not know how I got here, low-key. Did some interesting urban biking. Genuinely, how did I end up here? This can't be good. It was all on bike paths, but it was kind of crazy. I don't know what to do with these, they're kind of hogging the whole path. I'm kind of nervous to, but now I have some on this side of me too. So, I know they're protecting their little ducklings, but I don't know, maybe I can go now. They started hissing and spitting at me, but I got out unscathed. Just having a little adventure on the open road, using my bike for the first time. Check the Strava. It is gorgeous. No shame in hitting a walk. No shame. Hitting a little walk with the bike, seeing things at a new light, at a new pace, maybe. Giving the old thighs a break. I put my sunscreen on. That's awesome. Did not really think this through at all. Like, not at all. Okay. Yeah. See, when you go slow and get off the bike and walk, you can really see things that you might have not otherwise noticed. So, oh God. All right. I see a little downhill coming up. You know what that means. Let's get back on this horse. Let's get back on the wagon. Here we go. Okay. Yeah. Slight downhill. It's all worth it in the end. Yeah. That slight downhill, I'm just coasting. Oh, I'm just having a good time. It's clicking up the gears. For you gearheads out there, you cyclists will know what I mean with that one. We're at a 6. Just coasting. Wow. You know what? I am, and I can't emphasize this enough, going at a crawl. An absolute crawl. I mean, people can walk faster. Right by the Trader Joe's. Hitting another walk. But this time I got smart. I'm doing it on the sidewalk. because now if people see me, it's like, oh, I'm home, like, oop, just bringing my bike there, and not like I've got miles to go till my home and I'm heaving on the side of the street. I mean, there's just no way I'm getting up that hill. Maps says that I'm a 8-minute bike away from my house. I'll see if I can do it in 30. They're a little liberal. They're a little liberal with the time here. I don't know. 8 minutes. You guys, I'm not Lance Armstrong over here. Let's be real. We're doing it in 20. I did not realize I was gonna have such a character building bike ride today. I was going more for like fun. This is like some integrity shit. Like this is like don't give up type beat. I'm going on the sidewalk. I don't care. I need it more than y'all. Trust me. If a pedestrian could see my vibe right now, they would cede the sidewalk. They would understand the situation I'm in. But look, I'm back on Grand. Wow. What a beautiful day. Guess who it is? It's Walking McGee. Walking McGee back over here. Ow. My pedal just hit my already tired calf. This is what it's all about though. Someone's having the best day of their life. Right over there. What a beautiful thing. All right, back on the home turf. Feeling proud of myself. I did it, you know? You can't run a marathon on your first day of training. And turns out you also can't bike without getting off the walk when you're going on a bike ride. Yeah, it's my home. It's my streets, these are my city. Now I'm just strolling. That's what it's all about. Forget all that highway biking. I'm talking residential, baby. I'm talking 2.5 kids going to church on Sunday type beat. Place that I want to bike. Just taking a break. Times like this, only one thing to do. Enjoy a nice, delicious chomp. Oh, rats. Just slightly warm. Wow. So, I'm throwing my mouth full. So what did we learn today? This was great. Don't trust Google Maps, maybe. All Trails is lying to you just a little bit. Aside from that, I loved it. It's, you know, go out, push yourself, do something that you want to do. Don't do it by yourself. Safely. Heart rate has recovered. I'm wearing all this. Went 7 miles. Cool 7. No worries. No worries. Better prepared than not prepared, you know? Just a cool 7. Cool 6.88. I'll round that up by the time I get home. Beautiful day. Do it half-assed as opposed to not doing it at all. But that was also my best. So I don't think it was half-assed. Do it full-assed poorly versus not at all. Yeah.
God, I wish I had a basketball.
All right, team. Let's finish this one off strong. Let's get this one in the can. Finish it on the bike. All right, team. 7 miles in an hour and 8 minutes. Nobody do the math on that. Cheers. Made it too frozen. This might be a job for a spoon, but to be continued. Anyways, back to what I was originally saying. I'm proud of myself that I did something out of my comfort zone, which was going on a bike ride by myself in the street to an undetermined location that I had not previously scouted. But boy, did I have a good time. Boy, was it a beautiful day. And was I safe the whole time? Yes. And that's what I'm proving to myself, that you can do uncertain things and still be safe and have fun, as opposed to sticking to the same thing that you know the outcome of. So pretty though. A lot of walking, but nothing wrong with that. So, bon appetit.